Hey guys, so you want to see a really expensive paperweight? There you go. So this is my 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4, and for the past month it's been sitting here at my local dealer. Truck only has 20,000 miles on it. You see I just tripped 20,000, and it's been here with a collapsed lifter, which was bad enough for a truck with only 20,000 miles, but it has now turned into total engine failure, because when the technician went to drive the truck to test drive it, he claimed that the engine started knocking and the truck cut off on him. So they determined bottom end failure and told me yesterday that they'd have to order a new engine, completely new engine, on a 20,000 mile truck that I just purchased in February 2022. Found out today that the service manager is unable to find an engine anywhere, and the earliest he's thinking right now is September before they can even get an engine. Now, mind you, this is right now, today is the weekend before July 4th, so we're looking at least another 3 months before we even get an engine. Not to mention it took them a month just to put a set of lifters in, so I hate to see how long it's going to take to do a full engine swap. But comment below, let me know if any of you have had a similar problem with Chevrolet or GMC 6.2 liter or even the 5.3. I'm sure I can't be the only one with issues with this low mileage on a vehicle.